Every single second, on this planet, over 10,000 bottles of Coca-Cola are born. It all starts with something invisible, Pang. Water. Inside, one of the most advanced automated systems on Earth is about to wake up. Follow the entire journey, from raw water to the bottle in your hand. It begins with millions of liters of raw water pulled from deep underground. Reverse osmosis strips away every impurity, molecule by molecule.
Nothing enters this system unchecked. Purity levels are monitored every single second.
This water now travels through kilometers of precision piping.
Ultraviolet light eliminates any remaining bacteria HAV instantly.
Now the water waits perfute, clean, cold, and ready. Every valve, every pipe, engineered for precision.
But water alone isn't Coca-Cola. That's about to change.
Welcome to where the secret formula comes alive.
Tons of sugar are fed into the system every hour.
It dissolves completely, forming the base of every bottle. Then comes the flavor, a formula only a handful of people know.
Giant blenders combine it all into a smooth, consistent syrup. Every batch is tested for the exact same taste, every time.
This concentrate will flavor millions of bottles today alone.
A scale like this is almost impossible to imagine.
Quality control checks happen constantly, EPREAT. Nothing is left to chance.
Now, two rivers are about to become one.
This machine blends water, syrup, and gas in perfect ratio.
Carbon dioxide is forced in under intense pressure. Too much, and it's ruined. Too little, and it's flat. Too much, and it's ruined. Too little, and it's flat.
And there it is, the finished formula.
That iconic fizz nafe, engineered down to the bubble.
Now it's time for this liquid to meet its container. Two paths to use, plastic and aluminum, both about to be transformed. These small plastic preforms are heated to nearly 200 degrees. In less than 2 seconds per seconds, a bottle is born.
Thousands more follow every single minute.
Meanwhile, aluminum sheets are being shaped into cans. These cans move faster than the human eye can follow.
Every single can is inspected instantly, automatically.
Before anything touches the liquid, every container is rinsed clean. An army of containers, ready and waiting. Robots handle what human hands never could at this speed. This factory never stops. Not for a second.
The filling line, the heart of the entire factory. Each bottle is filled to the exact millimeter.
Over 1,000 bottles fill every single minute.
Sealed instantly, locking in every bubble. That seal is the difference between fizz and flat. In the blink of an eye, it gets its identity.
The most recognized logo on the planet, applied with laser precision.
Every bottle is time-stamped, whoosable, traceable, anywhere in the world.
Artificial intelligence checks every bottle for flaws humans could never catch in time.
And just like that Pensum Hubby, it's ready. From raw water to a global icon in under 3 minutes.
Every pallet, a perfect, engineered stack. Self-driving vehicles move it all in Pate, without a single human hand.
From this factory, it will reach over 200 countries. One drop of water, one incredible system, one bottle paving in your hand.